Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So, here is the task. What does this sign mean? Number 1. 2 sharp turns are ahead. First to the left, then to the right. Number 2. 2 sharp turns are ahead, both to the right. Number 3. The road curves gently to the left and then right. Number 4. The road merges with traffic from the left. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The W1-3L and R reverse turn sign warns drivers about a sequence of 2 tight turns. First to the left, then immediately to the right. It's critical to slow down well before entering and stay focused, especially if visibility is limited or if you're driving in hilly or wooded areas. So the correct answer is number 1. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.